You said you were just going to train legs. What you meant was, you're here to shatter your lower body like it said something disrespectful. Hack squat. Every rep is a controlled descent into quad-based regret. Sink deep, see the stars, and question everything. Leg press. Stack it stupid. Push until your face says, I regret my entire personality. This isn't leg day, it's penance. Smith Bulgarians, because nothing says I hate myself on purpose like isolating one leg while it's locked into mechanical depression. Leg extensions. You ever scream internally through your quads? You will now. Welcome to the slow burn. Leg curls. Hamstrings work disguised as a hostage situation. Pull like you're trying to escape. Congratulations, you finished. You're not better. You're just sore, sweaty, and one step closer to sitting weird for 3 days.